for this evening's Section 2A South Subsection Championship game. This evening's contest features the number 2 seed with an overall record of 25-3, the Springfield Tigers. And the number 1 seed with a record of 26-2, the Waterville Legion Morristown Buccaneers. And now, if you would please turn your attention to center court for our AAA Award presentation. Making the presentation will be Region 2A Committee member Brad O'Donnell, Activities Director at St. Clair High School. Region 2A is pleased to honor Lucas Kruse, St. Clair High School senior, as the Subsection 5 AAA Award winner. This prestigious Minnesota State High School League Award goes to the high school seniors who have excelled in academics, arts, and athletics. Academically, Lucas currently has a 4.034 GPA. He has taken 7 college courses during the past 2 years of high school and has received letters of awards in his freshman, sophomore, and junior years. In the fine arts area, he has been a participant in concert band, jazz band, and pep band. He's received 4 fine art letters throughout his high school career. In band, he was the section leader in the percussion section and participated in the Minnesota State University Mankato Honor Band. Lucas has participated in 3 different sports throughout his high school years. Those are football, wrestling, and track and field. He's received 9 letters and was named to the academic all-conference team each of those years. He was also voted to be the team captain on his wrestling and track and field team. Lucas is an officer in the Minnesota Honor Society and a member of the Knowledge Bowl team at St. Clair. Lucas is a proud member of the Boy Scouts, where he recently achieved the rank of Eagle Scout. He would like to thank his parents, family, teammates, coaches, and the community of St. Clair for their support and encouragement throughout his high school career. Lucas plans to attend the University of Minnesota Mankato to pursue a degree in mechanical or aerospace engineering. Lucas is the son of David and Brenda Kruse. Please help us congratulate St. Clair High School senior Lucas Kruse as the